Hello, welcome back again with me, Yuliani Dual Story. And this time we will discuss about product and service design. In business, designing product and service that meets the customer needs is critical to ensure their acceptance and also improving the company's competitiveness. In this case, we will discuss on how we need to design the steps in product development as well as the simple techniques using the house of quality. The product life cycle is the process a product goes through from when it is first introduced into the market until it declines or is abandoned from the market. The life cycle has 5 stages: introduction, growth, maturity, decline, and abandonment. In the introduction stage, product decision is critical and need to be developed that meets the demands with a competitive advantage. The characteristics of this stage are costs are very high, slow sales volumes to start, sales revenue begins to grow, but the rate of growth is very slow. In the growth stage, the rate of increase of sales turnover is very rapid. Profits also increase at an accelerated rate. During the maturity stage, marketing expenditure and falling prices due to keen competition will reduce profits. In the decline stage, the characteristics are sales volume decline, profit becomes more a challenge of production or distribution efficiency than increased sales. And finally, the product is abandoned. New products with unique features may be introduced, and then the company will repeat the product life cycle. The product and service design steps consist of 5 main steps. First is to find problem and voice of customer. In this step, firm needs to identify problems as the basis to find the opportunity of new product and conduct market study to capture the customer's expectation towards the product and service. Second, based on the previous steps, firm develops ideas of new product and service that can satisfy the customers with good competitiveness. Third, product screening, meaning that the firm conducts a structured evaluation process which includes the product market fit analysis, financial feasibility, and the enterprise and operational capability to ensure the firm's ability in producing the product and service. Fourth is the preliminary design and testing, where the firm develops technical specifications, develop prototype, and market testing. Fifth is to launch the final product and service to the market. In product and service design, market and financial analysis can be carried out before the product development project to see whether the product is in accordance to the specified target market and is financially feasible. Assuming that steps 1 and 2 have been carried out, including product market fit and enterprise and operational capability analysis, this section explains a simple example of economic analysis to see whether a new product plan is financially feasible. It starts by making a list of activities, a schedule along with the amount of costs needed in each period. Furthermore, it is also necessary to identify revenue projections for each period. Based on cost and revenue data, the amount of period cash flow can be calculated, and by using a discount rate of 15%, the discount factor and the present value in each period can be obtained. In this case, the NPV value obtained is positive, so the company can continue the new product project. House of quality is a technique used to identify the voice of customer and integrate it into product specifications. It requires coordinations among the marketing, research and development units and also the production team. We pick a game product on which we are going to perform a house of quality analysis. The first thing we need to decide are the customer requirements. By having market survey, we assume to have 7 aspects, namely distinguished features, portability, until extra movement, equipped with a level of importance with a score of 1 to 9. The next thing we need to do is figure out the engineering parameters or technical requirements in order to design the game. This may include motion sensor, Blu-ray, size, etc. This step can be challenging as it involves people working in groups to scheme out the variable that may affect the customer requirement factors the most, including its relations to the voice requirement, and also calculate the importance weighting each of the technical requirements. In this case, we use 3 types of score. Strong association yields score 5, somewhat associated yields score 3, and weak associated yields score 1. As an example, the importance weighting of motion sensor is obtained through 9 times 5 plus 2 times 5. It's equal with 55. The third step is creating a map of competitions by comparing the performance of our new product prototype compared to competing products for each aspect of the voice of customer using score 1 to 5. Next, we will calculate the score for each of aspect. As an example, the distinguished features for product A is obtained through 9 times 5 is equal with 45. 9 times 5. Product B is 9 times 2, while product C is 9 times 3. Fourth step is creating the technical evaluation. By using score 1 to 5, with 5 as the highest score, we need to compare our product specifications compared to competitor. As an example, motion sensor. For product A, yield score of 55 times 5 is equal with 275, while product B is 55 times 1, and also product C is 55 times 1, which is equal with 55. By doing the same way, we will derive total score from the competition map and also total score from the technical evaluation. The next step is designing the target value of which technical requirements need to be developed, maintained, or upgraded. Last step is creating the relations matrix among the technical requirements, which is in the rooftop. And this figure shows that between size and also compact, it has strong positive relationship.